Tonight, nearly 300 Ochsner staff members are no longer employed by that hospital system. That's because they've decided not to get a COVID-19 vaccine. Medical reporter Meg Ferris is joining us from the Ochsner main campus with more details on all of this tonight. Meg?
And Katie, tonight, Ochsner management is not discussing anything about this case, and they won't tell us if these former employees were involved in direct patient care or if they are support staff and administrative duty.
Today, Ochsner would only issue a statement with some numbers. It states that 280 Ochsner employees chose not to get a COVID-19 vaccine or request a religious or medical exemption. They say 180 of those are on-call or as-needed contract employees. The other 100 are full-time. Employees in good standing can return to their former jobs if they decide to comply with the mandate. Ochsner says, quote, team members with approved exemptions will undergo weekly COVID-19 testing and wear K95 masks for added protection. As of now, 99% of their 30,000 employees chose to comply with the health system's COVID rules. But these numbers don't apply to Ochsner workers in Monroe and Shreveport. Some employees there, and also other Ochsner employees in Lafayette, about 80 total, who are against the mandate, are involved in 2 lawsuits. Those are being combined and heard by the state Supreme Court. Attorney Jimmy Faircloth Jr. is representing them.
The exemptions are subject to being withdrawn at the whim of the employer. So the protection that we seek is what we think is a constitutional right under Louisiana law, which all someone has to do is invoke that right. They don't have to go through an exemption process with their employer.
That case will go before the court here in New Orleans on Tuesday, December 7th.
I would be surprised if the court didn't discuss the contours of the right to refuse medical treatment under Louisiana law, which would be applicable to all private employers and all individuals. So I fully expect the court to be asking questions with a view toward how this is going to impact every employee in the state of Louisiana.
In the past, Ochsner's CEO has said that rulings against mandates are inconsistent with Louisiana law, and he's confident Ochsner will prevail. In his latest statement, Ochsner Health's president and CEO, Warner Thomas, said, quote, at Ochsner Health, we remain committed to prioritizing safety and minimizing risk for our coworkers, families, and loved ones, and our actions during the COVID-19 pandemic reflect this promise.
And while this case could affect employees across Louisiana, not just here at Ochsner, Ochsner is saying that its vaccination policy is in line with similar ones enacted by leading health systems and employers across the country. So we'll see how it plays out next week.